Alright guys, welcome back to another vlog. This is Rakshit here. How are you doing? Ellaru hegidira? Yeah, it's been some time that I took the KTMs out because I was only busy in riding the 6R. Last time I was riding the 6R so much, you would have seen in the previous vlogs. I'm really sorry for the mic thingy. You won't believe I put a lot of time. I think the last option that I'm left with is to go for the Rode or the Sony mic that we have, which is for the TRS model. I've been trying to do a lot of things. I think in Super Sport what happens, right, because of the exhaust noise and also at high speeds, I'm not able to get that audio thing. So probably I changed the TRS to TRS converter also. I mean TRRS to TRS converter also. Look at that idiot, how close he was. He would have been in Smashana by this time. Alright, so coming back to the topic, so I did change the TRRS adapter also. I got a new one from Rode itself. I'm not using the one that usually comes with the normal TRS mic with the converter, the Moyo or the Boya, whatever, right? So I made those changes, but I don't know what's wrong with the 6R AGV helmet. I think it was the best when I started installing the same on that. And please excuse my voice, I am actually not keeping well. I woke up with a bad nose today, so it might be because of that you might hear my voice low. So please excuse me on that. And yeah, that is something which I wanted to say. I'm trying my hard to do the audio thing. I am also getting irritated by not giving great audio content, especially when you have Superbike. And it's not easy to vlog through Superbikes, man. It takes off your confidence, and you can't be able to ride it as well. Why I'm saying that is because you don't get confidence to ride at all, and because without your knowledge you're easily at 100, 120 now. So for that it's difficult to concentrate and ride. So that's one of the reasons I did not do that. What happened, some people actually in the comment section actually commented down below and asked me that Rakshit, do you have any error popping up in the display because I changed the sprocket, right? And I did not realize that at all, that pop-up will come, because I was so worried. Not so worried, in fact, it's just that I was so interested only to see the sprocket thingy, right? I was only worried about the bottom end thing. I did not even think that this motorcycle has a lot of electronics, which means that I did not even see what is there in the dashboard if it's popping any error. So do look into it. I don't think there's any error that is popping up. If error pop-ups, there will be one symbol here with a triangle inside that you'll have that as string, right? So you'll have that one, not as string, but the exclamatory mark saying that danger sort of warning indication. So that's not coming up. I had a couple of ECU failures when I was doing software update. That time I did notice that yes, there were a lot of things like that. But with that said, I don't think any errors with this package setup. I hope that answered your question as well. And today was the day that I just wanted to get up so early. I kept my alarm at 4:45, but I just turned off the alarm to just sleep for 5 minutes. Then I ended up waking up at 6:30. So I had just plans of going to Bislay alone. I was so exhausted being in home, and I just wanted to ride for longer time, right? At least couple of hours each side. So 6R though, with exhaust and all, no one will catch, but it's just that thing will be there on mind, and if I have to vlog also, that also won't come properly. So then I decided like it's alright, let me take the KTMs, and then if I take KTMs, I'm not too worried about the time, because whenever in point in time no one will catch me. I have all the right documents, I haven't made any modifications, then I think it's alright. So that is what is happening in the background. And also I must say the vibrations levels have also come down a lot because of the smoothness. And you can also do a much smoother or a refinement thing if you actually change the exhaust, because that will be stopping few things as well, right? Man, this R15 looks like 6R it seems. Someone said, "Idu yavud guru green color R15 noda illa," people will say. I mean, I lost it, Where is 13.5 lakhs worth of motorcycle versus a motorcycle which is 2 lakhs, man? I felt so bad. This happened way back in starting, but The moment I changed the exhaust, right, things, no one even thought about it. The days that they got confused, it's not 10R people, because people don't know 6R as a motorcycle, because it's not a common motorcycle that you can see now. So because of that, people got confused. Yaw bike guru idu 400 sound barata and all. They was, I mean, that is another day I got even more irritated. But yeah, with that, that's the background to these things. I haven't got a chance to ride the Dukes for longer time or longer distances in the corners. This has so much character of that KTM thing. I was just wondering how sharp handling the Duke will have, because anyway RC I know very well. I have ridden it for a long time, but the sharpness of KTM, and if they had pulled out like a nice refinement, like at least like the Royal Enfields, it would have been next level. So this is where Abhi was caught when we came in Superbikes on Ganesh Chaturthi for a very small ride, and he was fined for overspeeding. Can you guess the speed? 86 km/h. That was the overspeed. So which means people who are coming this way, just make sure that the two-wheeler speeds are 60, cars are 80, right? And before, when actually this road was established, the speeds were based on different lanes, 40, 60, 80. But now they have removed it off because of a lot of traffic, or for that matter, however they want the law, they will change it accordingly in India. So I'm not too surprised about it. So that is something which I wanted to share it with you guys. So when you're coming around this side, just be careful. If you're coming in Superbikes, also another deviation in a minute. Oh, I told you another vlog as well, right? When I was doing this pocket setup thing, see, the right side shell has been opened. You also get on left side which is after IPC, but you also get it on this side also. They've opened it now. So the fat boys are coming. Chumma accelerator they'll do, which is not. No one sees my motorcycle, but it's okay. I don't want also. ZX and our stock bike. Sound barta ilwala guru ಗಾಡಿ ಅದು. And if Superbikes doesn't make noise, I'll tell you, it is very risky. People think that we put exhaust for unnecessary reasons, but let's say if you're clicking at 160, 170, and people will get scared because of the sound. That's what at least I've realized lately. But I also have to get this 390 service, man. It's been 6 months I got this motorcycle already. I have to do the second service. And also I must say, people who are super worried about mileage, right? This motorcycle is going to give an amazing mileage if you're driving between 4.5 to 5.5 RPM. And if you want to push it much harder, I don't know. I won't do it. If anyone wants to try and put it down in the comment section, please do it with the same sprocket setup and let me know, so that that's going to help a lot as well. And I really liked one of the channel that has come up on YouTube who especially does for KTM Adventure 390. His name is Tamil Biker. He does vlog in Tamil, which is alright. That's in their interest. So that guy, he's heading to Ladakh, and I wish him to ride safe. And take slow as well. That's the only plan. And he's starting from 24th of September. I don't know when he's returning back, but he's doing it on the KTM Adventure 390, the orange color one, but I have the white one. I'm going to Ladakh next year for sure. I will make time. I'm not going to plan everything from ground from Bangalore. I will either plan to ship my motorcycle or do something which has a proper plan and a structure. Right guys, I'll just come back and catch up in a while I'm heading towards back. Meanwhile, I also want to enjoy ride. It's been quite some time that I've been with nature to ride for a longer distance. So I'll ride and then I will catch you. Yeah, see you around folks.